Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gold cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after products for jewelry enthusiasts and anyone who values their gold pieces. This video will dive deep into the world of gold cleaning liquids, exploring what makes a great cleaner, how to use it effectively, and which products stand out from the crowd. We'll be looking at various aspects, from ease of use and cleaning power to safety and value for money, to help you make an informed decision when choosing a gold cleaner for your precious jewelry. Number 5. Weiman Fine Jewelry Cleaner. Tired of dull jewelry? This gentle cleaner restores shine to gold, platinum, and precious gemstones. It's the perfect way to bring back that sparkle. It easily removes dirt and grime, leaving your jewelry looking its best. Use it on rings, bracelets, earrings, anything precious. Simply soak your jewelry for up to 30 minutes, use the brush if needed, then rinse and buff. It's that simple. Lotion, hairspray, everyday products dull your jewelry's brilliance. This cleaner will bring back that sparkle in minutes. It's safe for diamonds, sapphires, rubies, and more. It's the perfect solution for all your fine jewelry cleaning needs. Remember, it's not for silver or certain stones like pearls and opals. Check the label for a complete list. What we like? It's gentle enough for even the most delicate pieces. If you have precious gemstones, you'll love how it safely cleans and restores their sparkle. This makes it perfect for those who want a worry-free cleaning experience for their fine jewelry. What people say. Safe to use. Easy to use. Works great. Cleans great. Puts the shine back in your jewelry. I love using this to clean my jewelry. It is easy to use and keeps them clean for several days to a week at a time. It doesn't have a bad smell and works amazing. This ring cleaner comes with a brush and is very good. Cleans my sapphire and white gold rings well. Number 4. CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner. Give your treasured jewelry the care it deserves. Our CONNOISSEURS Premium line offers gentle yet effective cleaning for all your precious pieces. We offer specialized formulas for fine jewelry, silver, and delicate items. Select the cleaner that's right for your collection. It's formulated with premium ingredients to safely and effectively remove dirt, tarnish, and grime, leaving your jewelry sparkling. This 9.6-ounce value size ensures you have plenty of cleaner to keep your jewelry looking its best for months to come. It's economical and efficient. Watch as it gently cleans and polishes, restoring your jewelry's original shine and luster. It's the perfect way to maintain your precious pieces. For over 70 years, CONNOISSEURS has been the trusted name in jewelry care. Experience the difference of a premium cleaner. What we like? It offers great value with a larger bottle size. If you're looking for a high-quality cleaner that's also cost-effective, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a premium cleaning experience without breaking the bank. What people say. The cleaner works gently but effectively, removing dirt, oils, and tarnish without damaging your jewelry, leaving it with a brilliant, like new shine. It was simple and worked great. My engagement ring was getting dirty in between the settings, so I decided to get this. I used it once by dipping the ring into the solution for 30 seconds, then used the little brush and rinsed. All the grime came right off like it never happened, and the brush was gentle, so no scratching. Once dried, it had all its sparkle back. Excellent for cleaning silver. Just make sure you follow the instructions and leave it dipped for only 10 seconds at most. Immediately rinse and then polish with a soft cloth. My silver jewelry looks like new again. Number 3. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaner. It's formulated to safely clean gold, platinum, silver, diamonds, and more. This gentle cleaner is perfect for all your precious jewelry. Bring back the sparkle to your rings in minutes. It's brilliant on diamonds, but also gentle on other precious metals. It safely cleans soft stones, pearls, and all metal types. It's the premium solution for all your cleaning needs. It's ammonia-free and works like an ultrasonic cleaner without the machine. It's an eco-friendly choice for your jewelry. It comes with a convenient dip tray. Simply dip your jewelry for up to 3 minutes, brush, and rinse for sparkling results. What we like? This cleaner is tough on dirt but gentle on your jewelry. If you are looking for an eco-friendly option that's safe for all types of jewelry, including delicate pieces, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value both effectiveness and environmental responsibility. What people say. It's gentle enough to use every day, so a daily 2-minute soak and occasional light scrubbing with the brush, which is included, is plenty to keep it clean and sparkly. It feels soapy, not corrosive, it rinses off easily and doesn't smell bad like some other cleaners I've used in the past. Sterling shines up beautifully, none of the stones set in silver were harmed, and lesser metals cleaned up too. Number 2. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaning Kit. It's the best way to clean all your precious jewelry. This kit gently cleans gold, silver, diamonds, and more, leaving them sparkling. Everything you need is included. It comes with a cleaning solution, a brush, and cloths for a thorough cleaning. It's gentle enough for delicate items like pearls and soft stones. It safely cleans gold, platinum, silver, and more. It breaks down buildup and tarnish, restoring your jewelry's shine. It's safe for all types of precious metals and stones. It's ammonia-free and works like an ultrasonic cleaner, without the machine. It's kind to the planet and your jewelry. Simply dip, brush, and wipe. The kit makes cleaning your jewelry quick and easy. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. If you like convenience and having all the tools in one place, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a simple, effective, and complete jewelry cleaning solution. What people say. Wow, this worked great. I used the solution twice to remove a year's worth of junk in sunscreen, sweat, and tarnish from my Disney Pandora jewelry. Then the cloth to have it shining like new. The bottle is small, but it seems like it will last a long time. It's easy to use. It made the Cuban link bracelet dance again with how shiny it was. This pack is nice because it comes with the brush and towel, which are helpful to use after the soak. Despite the great reviews, I was skeptical of this kit's true capabilities because so few products actually do that which they claim. It literally looks brand new, actually, even shinier than when I first bought it. Pieces as old as 20 years were restored to their glimmering, stunning glory. Number 1. Maui Jewelry Cleaner Kit. This kit is designed to safely and effectively clean most gold, silver, and diamond jewelry. It's a simple and convenient way to restore your jewelry's shine. It uses a gentle, yet powerful solution to remove tarnish and dirt. The included cloth and brush provide extra cleaning power for those hard-to-reach spots. Simply place your jewelry in the provided basket, let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, and then use the brush and cloth for extra cleaning. It's that easy. This kit comes with everything you need, a 4.8-ounce bottle of cleaning solution, a cleaning basket, a brush, and a polishing cloth. Everything is ready to go. It's important to note that it may not work on all types of gold and silver jewelry, and it's not guaranteed to work on fake jewelry. But for most jewelry, it's a great solution. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. What we like. It comes with a brush and cloth for extra cleaning power. If you want a risk-free purchase with a guarantee of satisfaction, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a simple, effective, and complete jewelry cleaning solution with a peace of mind. What people say. This cleaned my silver engagement and wedding bands amazingly well. Over the years, I've tried many jewelry cleaners. None have cleaned my beloved grandmother's antique rings like this brand. It has really made my rings sparkle and shine. It is effective and easy to use. There is enough cleaner to last a while, and it only takes 10 minutes to clean my rings. Comes with a small brush to get into the crevices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.